Left at the end. Right, left, right. Good. At the end go right,
Yep.
but come across to the left as well.
Yep.
Two-way road. That's it. Good. Mirror check. So you're going to take the first road on the right.
Yep, no problem.
Get into second gear before you get in the box, and then decide if you're going to stop or go.
Stop.
Alright. Possible gap before the white one. Yeah. Good. Nice and easy. Mirror check. Good. Carry on. You're left of the traffic lights. But why have you just failed your driving test? 25 in a 20 mile zone.
Oh, it
Changed to 20 back there, didn't it?
Yeah. I was too focused on turning left.
No. Look at every sign you see, have a look at it.
Yeah.
Information's there to help you.
No worries.
Quick mirror check. Right, so this test route's going to take us into Asda first to do a bay park, which we practiced yesterday.
Yeah, no problem.
So the roundabout, take the third exit right.
Yep.
Now you've got some faded markings in the middle, so keep to the left, try not to go in them. And what we're going to do here?
Signal right.
Yep. So do that now.
Yep.
Good. Good. Do the mirror before signalling next time. Carry on. So this first right here. Okie dokie. See the little white van on the left?
Yeah.
Just pull up near there, get closer, and then I want you to do me a reverse bay park.
Okay.
Now do your 360. Yeah. Just hang on fire for a minute. Right, that's nice of him. Just reverse back to the next line.
Yeah, no worries.
Nice and slow. Just wait. Car going past. You stayed very slow then.
Okay.
Right. No, yeah, wait till the car looks straight. Keep looking around. So, keep going. And move them hands quick. Slow it down just a little bit more. And stop. Right. Neutral. Right, now you're allowed to open your door and check.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, just
about's good.
Lines, yeah.
Right. One thing you didn't do, you started steer, and there was a car coming, and you were going to steer, and you'd got really close to it, so they'd fail you for that.
Yeah, I think I just assumed that he was going to wait there, but obviously he carried on.
Yeah. Now, if you'd have steered a little bit quicker, You'd have got more central.
Right, okay.
But you've just made it in, so that's good.
Perfect.
Right, we'll go back out that way.
Yep.
It didn't help with him pulling out in front of you.
Thought, I can't be bothered this guy.
That's one of the reasons why you've got to keep looking as you're doing the manoeuvre, keep looking around, keep checking, because you never know when somebody's going to make it difficult for you.
Right.
Roundabout, go right. The signal goes off, put it back on. Mirror before signal, good. Not bad at all. Mirror check. There we go. Right. Coming up to a crossroad, we're going to go right.
Okay, no problem.
So what's the speed limit on the new road?
30.
Yeah. Ooh. Right. What was wrong with that?
Just gone a bit too forward there.
Yeah, way too forward. I think your clutch went down a bit too early. Right, we're going to have to see how it's impacting on every other road user. Right, move off. That one's giving you way. Off we go. I think you hit the clutch before brake then.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I think the sunshine was deceiving with the lines as well. Oh, that's an excuse.
Well, you are a Scouser.
They're all on eyesight is Liverpool, yeah.
Now, change the speed limit, mirror check, and then go over 20. This one's going to take us up near Mount Tabor, I believe.
Yeah, okay.
Right, so we're going to take the second left.
Second left,
This is your first, second one. Might have to use second here, might be good here until you get past these parked cars. That's it. It's getting a bit narrow. Mirror check, signal off, build up a bit of speed. And back into third gear. Try not to go over the middle line, come back to your side. Yeah, come off the clutch, you got to get off it. That's coasting.
Yeah. That's used to save fuel a lot of the time, isn't it?
Pardon?
That's used to save fuel a lot of the time.
It's not a safe thing to do.
No, I agree.
It's not a safe thing to do because you're out of gear.
Yeah. I think it's a common thing for a lot of people.
What's that?
Coasting.
Yeah.
This says 60, doesn't it?
Pardon? Yeah, but this is 30. Yeah. Don't use the sat nav for speed limits because it can be wrong.
Yeah.
When we joined before we joined this road, we were on a 30.
Yeah.
We didn't see a new speed sign, so we're still on 30.
Yeah.
We got a new speed limit coming up. So I'll use second gear for a bit. Carry on. Now we're just going to follow the bend to the right.
Yeah.
It's going to get narrow here. You can't see what's coming, so just hover over the brake. It is used by buses as well.
You're right.
Them little mini ones.
Yeah, very narrow.
Yeah, it's going to get a bit narrow here as well. So,
The road surface
yeah.
as well.
Now, whilst it's safe to do so, you don't need to get too close to the wall.
Yeah. Okay.
So you can get a little bit more gas. Still a 20 mile zone. Mirror check. Yeah, off we go. Right, so ease off. You've got a little bit of space here, but it's a bit wider. Good. Mirror check, and off we go. Now you can keep out a little bit. Good. There's your national speed sign, so another mirror check.
Yep.
And add a little bit more gas. Not going to go crazy with the speed here because there's a fair few bends.
Yep.
Now try and look as far as you can to see what's coming so we can plan ahead. Yeah, so look, so just come a little bit, just a little bit. There is space for both cars to go through safely. That's it. Mirror check, back on the gas. So now have another look.
Yeah, it's all clear.
Yeah.
It's a 4.
Not yet, get past this bend. So just ease off just a little bit. Carry on. You could leave it in 3rd gear as you go up the climb as well.
Just because it's uphill.
Yeah, and then ease off a little bit. Gently back on the gas. Good. Now look ahead again, and now you can build up a bit more speed. Into 4th gear. So what are you going to check first?
Slow down.
That's good. Then ahead you've got a crossroad. You're going to go straight ahead. Make sure you stop at the giveaway line.
Okay.
So you're always going to use the brake to slow the car down first.
Yeah.
Yeah, so start braking. Bit more brake, bit more brake. Right, the brake's under control. Now press the clutch down. Keep going. Yeah. Right.
So straight ahead of the cross.
Yeah, so you're put it in 1st gear. Make sure you scan all sides at least twice. Are we good?
Yeah.
Off we go. No, to the left, a little bit to the left. That's it. Alright, so we've got a gap here. Take it nice and easy. Off you go. Now we're just going to wait. Try not to stop too close to the curb. You want to still be able to see down the road.
Yeah.
Mirror check. Off you go. Now pull up somewhere safe on the left.
Okay.
Bit to the right. Good.
Blocking the entrance.
Okay. Signal as well. I move off when it's safe.
Okay.
No. What are you going to do before that?
Blind spot first.
Before that?
Yeah, over.
Yeah. Just hang in there. And then. Try not to put the indicator on until you know I'm definitely going to move
There's
now.
space to go.
Yeah. What you don't want to do is mislead the vehicle behind.
Yeah.
And then thinking you're going to move in front of them.
Yeah.
Now at the end of this road we're going to go left.
Yeah.
The sat-nav doesn't tell you there's an end of the road coming up.
No, it just follows it round as a bend. Okay.
But there is a giveaway sign telling you.
Yeah.
So you still got to treat it like an end of the road.
Okay. The sat-navs can be quite deceiving, can't they?
It can be sometimes, but some examiners will point things out for you as well. There's your giveaway sign. A little bit tight here. Into 1st gear. You should be able to see if anything's coming up or not, but check the left side as well. Slowly off the clutch. Good. The mirror check.
Yeah.
Carry on.
Didn't do anything against Liverpool though when they played them.
Right, crossroad we're going to go left. You will have to stop at this one as well because the building on the right restricts our view.
Okay.
Good. Well done. Now some miss this 40 sign here. Don't stay 40 long, but you've got to get over 30.
Yeah.
What can you see ahead?
Hazard, yeah. Roadworks and traffic light.
Traffic light. Don't stop too close to it though.
Yeah.
So mirror check. Just about here. Don't stop to before this little slip here, yeah. Now look, they always put the sign in the wrong place.
Yeah.
If you stop there,
Don't want to be obstructing.
yeah.
This,
Plus, it'd be very difficult for you to manoeuvre out as well.
Okay.
So in these situations, apply common sense.
Yeah.
Even Liverpool.
Exactly. It's a beautiful city. I've been to the docks.
I went there for the Euro '96.
Oh, you said, yeah, you went to Anfield, didn't you? Yeah. Oh, lucky.
Yeah, it was good. Loved it. We were in the cop stand as well.
Ah, yes. Singing your heart out.
Eh?
Singing your heart out. Were you
What?
singing your heart out?
No, it was Italy against Russia.
Yeah, we can learn some Italian songs.
Right, pull up somewhere safe on the left. Anything wrong with this, Mr. Charlie?
Am I too far away from the curb?
Nope.
I'm not obstructing anyone.
What have we got in front of us on the left?
Car.
Before that?
A junction.
Yeah.
Oh, so that we're restricting their view, I suppose.
And yeah, and if a car wants to go in, it's got to go around. And like you said, you're restricting their view.
Okay.
So could have just stopped a little bit earlier.
Right.
Or if you'd have identified it, could have stopped after it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would that be a minor in a test, or?
It's
is that
it's
the
their
honest
opinion.
discussion?
It's their opinion.
Okay.
But it's something you don't really want to do.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Move off when it's safe.
Yep.
But give yourself a couple of seconds to think. When they say pull up somewhere safe on the left, when they use that word safe, give yourself a second or two
Doesn't
to think.
have to be instant.
No. If they say stop behind that car,
Yeah.
then that's direct instruction.
Yeah.
But when they say pull up somewhere safe, have a little think.
Yep. Don't pull up just before a junction.
No. Right, now, I want you to stop before the silver car,
Okay.
get quite close to it, just leave yourself enough space to move off. So don't worry about any driveway. You want to get closer to the car, closer, bit more, and stop. That's it. So this would be classed as your angle start now. And move off when it's safe. Just make sure you don't get too close to that car, and also don't drift too far out as well.
Right. Okay.
What else do you need to do? Signal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Mirror check, carry on. Try not to drift too far out, even when it gets wide. Back to the test centre.
Yeah.
No, just a bit further on. Yeah, take the second one. Just into second gear. Nice and easy. Slow down. That's the end of your test.
Excellent. I think let's put up on
We'll carry on straight ahead.